Hi everyone. Today I came to visit one outlet called the Ceramic Venture, and this is address. You can just have a look. BDA extension Anjanapura 9 block Golahalli, which comes in between Kanakpura and Bannerghatta in JP Nagar 8th phase. And this is outlet. You can just have a look. Very big outlet spread over 1 acre. He's an exclusive wholesale dealer for tiles, sanitary, washroom A to Z products you'll get. You can just have a look. Very big outlet this is. All details and description, numbers on video screen. If you want any more detail, you can contact them. They'll send you all details. So this is one section. You can just have a look where entire stock is the exclusive wholesaler he is. You can just have a look again. Huge, one of the biggest wholesaler. Huge amount of stock. You're getting everything here for wholesale price. Right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Vikram.
Welcome you to our store, Ceramic Venture.
Okay. What and all you'll deal, sir, here?
So we are mostly into vitrified tiles, CP and sanitary fittings. We are into paints. We are the distributors of major brands like Kajaria, Carovit, Millennium, Inland. There are so many other brands.
And how much is the difference, like people who purchase outside and here 20-30%?
Minimum 20 to 30% difference will be there.
And what is the timing of your outlet?
Our working time are like it starts from 9:30 till 7 o'clock we operate.
Sunday?
Sunday we are open for the clients.
How many years old for you in business?
So we are around like 10 years old. We have the stock of all the major sizes. Like we starts from like 1 by 1.
This is all tiles.
Yes.
Okay.
These are 2 by 1 designs and imported tiles.
Okay.
And
how much collections you having? 100, 200 designs?
Being true, like it's more than 2,000.
2,000 designs they are having in this. You can just
More than
have
2,000. Yes.
Okay.
That we stock up.
Okay. So you'll get plain designer everything.
Yes, right.
Okay.
Plain design. So if you talk about the sizes, we have the sizes starting from 1 by 1 goes till 6 by 4.
Okay.
We have that also. These are the 2 by 4 regular tiles.
Okay. And this is what material used in this?
These are vitrified.
Vitrified tiles.
Yes,
Okay.
vitrified tiles and all.
So if you want for a house, cafe, restaurant, if you want for any purpose, you can come here. You can just have a look. And what is the starting price of the tiles here? Lowest?
So lowest starting is 35 rupees.
35 rupees.
Yes, and if you talk about the bigger size, then if you take a brand, it depends on the brand.
Okay.
All these are designer tiles, like it's used for like kitchens.
Very nice. Superb. You can just see the designs.
All are exclusive colors.
There are more than 2,000 varieties. If you want, you can WhatsApp video call or visit the outlet. You will get to see all the details.
These are 2 by 1 sizes. Okay?
Understood.
And
Understood.
If we just talk about, we have 15 mm tiles also, 6 by 4 vitrified body.
Okay.
So that also you can take up.
What about this section, Mr. Vikram?
So if it's for bathroom, it's for pathway, it's for passage.
What do you want to tell about the quality of these tiles?
The quality, we have the best quality. We always have the premium quality material.
And there's also few more designs of the tiles, so you can just have a look.
These are carving series.
Okay.
What we are showing.
Okay. You can just have a look. And what about this?
These are the quartz which are mostly used for the kitchen countertop.
Okay. Very nice. This starts from what?
It starts from 350 rupees, goes till 1,500 rupees.
Okay. What about this section?
So recently we have taken up the distributorship for Berger paint.
Okay.
So recently you will get all the colors, whatever, like from waterproofing to paint to everything, you will get it here.
Complete Berger paints you will get here. Mr. Vikram, what about this section? This is very huge. Idhar kya hai?
So this is exclusively Kajaria section. So
Okay.
we have all the section of Kajaria. So
Okay.
there you will find exclusively Kajaria tiles.
Tiles, sanitary, everything you will find.
Currently we have Carovit, so it's also a segment of Kajaria only.
The sample of the tiles. Here also tiles
So
are there.
all these are live displays. What we have done for our customers, so they can figure it out like how their house will look like.
Okay.
This one is 6 by 4 tiles. So whenever you are going with your exclusive house and all,
Okay.
so there you can put this size tiles.
Okay.
So there will be very less vents and it will look really good.
Very nice.
So
You can just have
it's a substitute of Italian marbles.
Okay. So you can just have a look. This is how the final designs and all looks. These are just few samples and all. And then as we move further, and what about this section front now?
So that one is Carovit. That one is exclusively for sanitary and bathware.
Okay, sanitary and bathroom.
So we are the distributors for Carovit.
Okay.
So this is that section, and there you can find all designer top.
What is the starting price of basin here? Basic basin.
So basic basis will start from like 4,000 rupees.
So you can just have a look. This entire section where entire basins are there, showers is there.
Shower heads are there.
Shower heads are there.
Range, quad
Okay.
wall. So we have that also.
Okay. These all are the collections. You can just have a look of the showers. Different companies, different varieties. Quality, basic price, mid-range, high-range, everything you will get
Everything,
here. You can just have a look. And again, this is showers.
Yes,
so
shower
these
head.
are the entire shower panels. You can just check how it looks. So if you want this for your house, restaurant, cafe, again, I'm telling you, wholesale price you're getting. Almost lot of price difference will be there because he's an exclusive wholesaler, distributor. And these are the collection. And like this, if you want, in this also a lot of quantity you will get.
The commodes.
Commodes also you will get. In this we get colors also. What?
Yes, we have different color also.
Basins, if you want basic basin, that you will get. If you want designer, that you will get. And this all are the tabs. You can just have a look. So here you will get everything. Exclusive range, basic range, mid range, everything you will get. This is the vanity section.
Yes, this is the vanity section. So
Okay.
we get full set will give
Okay.
at a very reasonable price.
Okay. Nice. In this also, how much collections you having? 10, 20 variety
Yes,
design?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then if you go further, you can just check.
All these
like
are
this.
exclusive designs.
Very nice.
We maintain stock of each and every color.
And if you want single piece, if you want in bulk, very nice. Yeah, superb collections of sanitary, basins, showers. Very big outlet, very big business people in this field, and they are into this business for many years. So if you want to purchase, if you want any more detail, all details are in video. In the video, number is there. You can contact them. They'll send you all detail. If you want like this, see, looks premium one.
Premium one, the Aurum series.
Okay, I think it's digitally also, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Automatic is also there.
Automatic is also there. You can just check. And these are the basins. So if you want basins, you can just check different design, different shapes, price. You can contact them. They'll send you. The business also gets affected. That's the reason I'm not telling. And again, these are commodes, different colors.
These are different.
You can just see very nice, high quality products you're getting for wholesale price. And again, water taps, different kinds of water taps, different designs, different varieties. From here you can just have a look how big this place is, almost spread in 1 acre. He is an exclusive distributor and wholesaler. So what about this section? What is your entire thing?
So this is a section of like CP sanitary fitting and the tiles section.
Okay,
So we maintain stock of each and everything.
okay. And even if someone wants in bulk 1000, 2000
Yes,
pieces.
yes, everything we have it.
What about this section? I think you're the biggest wholesalers in
So
Bangalore.
here also we maintain all the stocks. So this is the other section. Like here we maintain the sizes like 2.5 feet by 5 feet, 6 by 4, 2 by 4.
Tiles.
Yes, tiles.
Okay, so you can
this
just
is
check how big it is.
So all it's like this only place is around 10,000 square feet.
Alright, so before wind up, I just want to tell that this is a massive wholesale studio of sanitary tiles, washroom products. Will highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll become the regular customer. Then it's up to you. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.